Hello, everyone. We're going to study a short dialogue between two friends, Anna and Silas. I will read each line, then explain it in simple English, so you can understand better. Let's begin. Ever since we put away the Christmas decorations, the living room feels so empty. We should do something to bring it to life. Here, Anna says that after removing Christmas decorations, the room feels empty. Ever since means from that time until now. Bring it to life means make something lively or full of energy. I know what you mean. We could brighten up the room somehow with some new cushions or lamps. Silas agrees. I know what you mean means I understand you. I feel the same. Brighten up means make lighter, happier, or more colorful. That sounds good. The space feels cold without color. Anna likes the idea. That sounds good means I think that's a nice idea. Without color means no bright or warm colors, so it feels cold. We could also add a touch of warmth with blankets and candles. Silas suggests more ideas. Add a touch of means add a small amount of something. Warmth here means a cozy, comfortable feeling. Yes, even small things could make a difference, Anna agrees. Make a difference means cause a positive change, even if it's small. Let's brainstorm more. We can make this house cozy again without spending a lot of money. Silas wants more ideas. Brainstorm means think of many ideas together. Cozy means warm, comfortable, pleasant. Without spending a lot of money means do it cheaply. So this dialogue teaches us how to talk about decorating a room and making it cozy. Notice how Anna and Silas use everyday expressions like bring it to life or make a difference. These are very natural in English conversation. Try using them in your own sentences and you'll sound more fluent. Hello everyone. Today we will learn 5 useful English expressions. First, bring it to life. This means to make something lively. The teacher used stories to bring the lesson to life. Second, I know what you mean. It shows understanding. When you say the room feels empty, I know what you mean. Third, add a touch of. That means to add a small amount. She added a touch of elegance with a silk scarf. Fourth, make a difference. Even small actions can change things. Even small actions can make a difference in someone's life. Finally, without spending a lot of money. This means cheaply. You can decorate your home beautifully without spending a lot of money. These phrases are common in everyday English, so practice them in your own sentences to sound more natural.
Wednesday, January 7th. A cozy home in winter. The living room feels so empty.
Ever since we put away the Christmas decorations, the living room feels so empty. We should do something to bring it to life.
I know what you mean. We could brighten up the room somehow with some new cushions or lamps.
That sounds good. The space feels cold without color.
We could also add a touch of warmth with blankets and candles.
Yes. Even small things could make a difference.
Let's brainstorm more. We can make this house cozy again without spending a lot of money.